Bitcoin is crashing and this dump is not over. Walk with me real quick. This is an obvious shakeout. At this point, guys, Bitcoin has dropped over 20%, like 22, 23%. Your altcoins are down 30, 40, and even 50% right now. This is a complete, utter shakeout of the markets right now. Retail was completely FOMOing into the market, just drooling at the mouth for higher prices. They're like 48K Bitcoin, spot ETF, we're going to 60K, we're going to 70K, we're going to 100K. You started getting all these insane price predictions of $100,000 by the Bitcoin halving. I saw $250,000 by the Bitcoin halving. What did you guys see by the Bitcoin halving?
Bitcoin halving, I'd say, you mean for this one?
Yeah.
I'd say about 41.
That's not even close to 250. You see what I mean? The point is this. Markets are bleeding. It is a bloodbath right now. The same influencers that were telling you to buy at 46, 47, 48K are the same influencers that told you that Bitcoin is going to go to 10K or 12K or 13K back when FTX collapsed. So if you're wondering if you should buy or dollar cost average into these markets, just let me explain it this way. Time in the market always beats timing the market. We are starting to see relentless amounts of FUD come out. Now we have like Mt. Gox was selling off $7.8 billion worth of Bitcoin. You have every creator and their mother saying Bitcoin's gonna go to 34K, potentially 28K. And I even just saw a live stream today saying $22,000 Bitcoin. It's excuse after excuse after excuse after excuse. If you believe Bitcoin was gonna go to 100K or 250K, God, in 3, 4, 5, 6 years, it doesn't matter. Why are you stressing out about not purchasing at 41? What is the difference between 41K Bitcoin and $28,000 Bitcoin if you're looking at it from that long-term perspective? Why give yourself that emotional roller coaster of stress of jumping in and out of this market if you're a long-term thinker and a long-term investor? Let's face it, 99% of people can't be day traders. You will never be a day trader. It takes hours a day of staring at these charts and years of experience and losing tens of thousands of dollars more than likely as your college tuition, so to speak, just to learn how to do it in the first place. So why are you treating this like a girl in high school that you want to ask out? You're like, you get all this courage. You're like, man, you really like this girl. You're obsessed with her. You're really good friends. Well, before you know it, all of a sudden 4 years pass. You never made a move. You're now off to college and you're never gonna see her again in your life because you never took that fucking risk. So if you truly believe in Bitcoin, just let me ask you one last time. If you're in this for the long haul and you truly believe Bitcoin is going to go over 6 figures one day, what is the difference between purchasing at $38,500 or whatever low or bottom you think it might hit in the coming months? Stop buying high and selling low and being shaken out of these markets.